Why do people like adult coloring books? I don't know. Let's find out together. Coloring books are no longer just for kids, they are making it for adults also. So, what's the difference? The designs, the patterns, the whole thing is more complicated, just like our lives. Okay, so they say that it helps in reducing stress, relieve anxiety, and is the most satisfying thing to do. So, to try it out, I bought 3 books. This one is from Dreamland and it's basically motivational quotes types. Very easy types. Actually, the second one is also from Dreamland and it's a mandala coloring book which has, the most complicated designs I have seen. That it will take much longer time. And the third one is from Camlin. And I will start this book from whenever my video get published. I don't know. If you want to join me, you can color with me. So stay connected. And we will find out that coloring book is satisfying or not. Till then, bye and we will see you in next video.